Hey everyone, I need your help. I can't decide. Alright, so this has to be doing a premiere. Now, I have a very long video in reference of me making the donuts for Mother's Day. Or I can add a sunset, sunrise, or moonset, moonrise at the end with some music to it. Or I could do just all sunsets, sunrises, moonsets, and moonrises, all set to music, and that'd be the premiere. So, wait a minute. Up here will be like a poll. If you have a computer, you can click on and you can vote for either donuts or sunset sunrises. Let me know which one you prefer. I will edit those videos to be able to do a premiere again. Alright, so if you don't have a computer to where you could be able to click on that link, then just comment down below. But also let me know that you voted with those links down in the comments. I need to know by Tuesday morning. Tuesday morning. So I have time to get some good editing done. God, I look horrible. I've been up forever. Okay. I need to know by Tuesday morning so I can get the editing done, get it uploaded. Editing done, get the rendering done. Then I got to transfer it to my phone, and then I got to upload it. So yeah, this takes time. I need a good, and I've already got both of them somewhat processed, but I need to know which one you prefer. Okay, so let me know, and that way we can do some live chats again. All right, people, love you, and I hope you have an awesome day. Bye bye.